basically give you a complete web application that you can just single click deploy and get it going. You can interface with any client-side JavaScript library, and this is one of the points that people typically misunderstand. By this we mean that you can take any JavaScript library and address it in WebSharper using F# code, which means you get type-safe API, you get basically you can forget about having to manually track all the different CSS and all the different image and other artifacts associated with those libraries. Basically, WebSharper, the framework itself, will take care of tracking all those for you. And that, the first few of these points were about the translator itself. We also have built powerful functional abstractions on the top of this compiler. And that's basically most of WebSharper now, these functional abstractions. So we have different abstractions to represent the different web and mobile chores in a type-safe manner in F#. And some of these include, as a side effect, things like automated or automatic resource management, safe URLs, and so on and so on. I actually have a couple of slides on a couple of these abstractions. One is formlets, the other one is sitelets, so that you can familiarize yourselves with those concepts before we delve into the main application. But overall, in our experience, you end up with a lot less code if you do this sort of uniform language development model for your applications. You typically end up at least half, but many times even as little as 1/10 of the similar or equivalent code base if written in ASP.NET with C# and JavaScript.